Hey guys, it's me back again with another video. So I checked my subscribers. I only have and this is my special guest. This is my cousin, and I checked for my subscribers. I got 6 now.
And I just wanted you guys to
go check out her channel. It's Lillian Serrano. I put it in the description down below.
And something that's really disappointing is that I don't get many views and I only have 1 subscriber. So
that's me. The 1 subscriber for me.
Please check out my channel and watch the video.
Check out her channel. Her channel is basically slime.
I might be a little cringy, but
I'm cringy too.
That's only because I'm a little nervous when I'm.
So last night, I'm sorry guys that I didn't film a nighttime routine. Is that I went to Nomads and I left at 11 because the place is like.
It's up till 24 hours.
No, it's gonna be closed at 12. So we played a little bit and we got to play. But I'm back again with a different thing. I'm back with, I'm here with slime, the slime that she got from a slime package.
So this is what I did. So I went on SD slime package, and I was looking for mystery slime packages, and I saw. I told you guys on my channel that I will be checking out SD slime packages, but they're really cheap ones, and this was $2 plus shipping. So that's pretty cheap. So
okay, so first we have chewed up bubblegum. There's foams inside, as you can see. She's gonna use that one.
This one is. I love this one so far. This is my favorite.
Next on we have the blue ice.
These are scented. This one smells like bubblegum. That one's. Let me smell one. That one smells like kind of body lotion. That one's blue ice. Guys, smell this one.
It's blue ice.
Tell them to smell that.
It smells like something I like.
Like soap.
Smelled. Smells like Boys Body Wash.
And I'll be showing you guys this one. Mucha coffee, which means a lot of coffee.
It smells good. Wait, I want to show this.
I want to show them it. I'm only going to poke it. This one smells straight up like coffee. Guys, you guys need to smell this. These are good slime, and it was only $2.
This one is kind of hard. I don't like this one, but I appreciate it.
That's so glossy.
Who's gonna play with this one?
Nobody.
Yeah. Okay, so next we have this. I know she already showed you, but I'm gonna show it myself. Mucha coffee.
Which means again
get out
a lot
of
coffee. Focus. Wait, the camera didn't focus.
Yes, it did. You're in the light, that's why. So, yeah, so I'm going to be playing with Mucha Coffee.
And I'm going to be playing with chewed up bubblegum. And I know I'm really quiet, I'm just really tired right now. And I decided to do a video with my cousin. If you guys didn't know that, she is my cousin. And I think you guys might have seen her once in my channel. But not many times. Because I don't see her a lot. I don't see her as many times.
I like this one. Wait, I like this one.
Okay.
I haven't played with this one yet. I play with, and it's
so it's loose.
It's
a loose line. It's really thick and it's loose, which means it's
I can't check right now. So
And the blue one, if you guys don't notice, the blue one does leave residue on our desk or table. Because it does have.
It has fake snow.
But the fake snow doesn't like.
You barely see the fake snow.
And
Where's I just found the little bead.
Yep. And the fake snow kind of goes as beads with it because it basically is beads for the slime because the fake snow does not want to mix in. I don't know why. It's not my fault. It's actually their fault because, I didn't make this.
Maybe they didn't have to. Maybe they
didn't have a lot of fake snow, but that's not our fault. And that's not their fault either.
At least
they have a lot of orders going on, so we have to save some for others.
Okay, so we're gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the ASMR.
So first she's gonna do that ASMR, and then I'm gonna do the Mucha Coffee ASMR. And I also wanted to say that the last ASMR video that we did, like, it's not slime ASMR, but it's like whispering and doing stuff that make you fall asleep to sleep better and sleep earlier. We did that video, but it was really, really short just because her phone or camera turned, like, it died in battery, so yeah. So, we'll be doing another one. I think
pretty soon after this video.
Yeah, we're gonna do it after this video because it's really quiet.
After my first one is uploaded. After this video is uploaded. So,
all right, I'm gonna do this ASMR now. Ready? It's so sexy. My hands smell like coffee now.
my hands smell like different kinds of coffee. So, different types of. So now I'm gonna be playing. I'm gonna do the blue ice ASMR. It has 2 E's for some reason. So let's get started.
Ooh, for you guys, it's a dark blue, but for like in real life, it's a really, really light blue. Like
No, it's light blue in the camera.
It's a baby light blue. Yeah, but when you took it out, it was a dark blue.
Yeah, because you're in the sunlight.
Well, sorry, that's not good lighting. Go like this.
Okay, so right here. Can you see, guys? Can you see the wet snow? I mean the snow. Fix it. I kind of like this one.
It's so quiet right now. That's why we're gonna do an ASMR video after we edit this video and if
I don't edit mine. I make a mistake, I put it in.
Neither. I don't edit mine, but whatever.
Do you even have a description? I put a description.
Yeah, I put a description. I put description in all of my videos.
So let's go check.
Okay. Well, I put in some of my videos, but most of my videos.
I put it all in my videos. That was good.
Yes, it was.
I'm gonna try to make it again. I'm not cutting that part out.
I know.
Sorry, guys, if you hear that. Thank you. What I'm gonna do with this one? I could do. Dang it, it worked. My hands are getting like tired.
Okay, this one again. This one's the biggest one, and I love. Ready? You know what we should do one day?
What?
A pet peeve, a slime pet peeve video.
Yeah. Not to offend anyone.
Yeah. And if we do a slime pet peeve video, if you're one of those people who do that thing,
It's okay.
I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It's just my opinion. If you like doing that, you can keep doing that.
Yeah,
that
we're
won't
not
bother me.
gonna.
That's your opinion. I have my own opinion. Okay? But we're not trying to be rude or anything, or like, you know, like you guys sad or anything or mad. But it's just our opinion. What we do it. I'm just gonna say one of my worst pet peeves ever is when they go. These are two. When they poke it really slow and it ends up going like that, and when they poke it with one finger. I can't.
So we're done with the video. We're like, my fingers are getting tired, so I gotta crack them.
Yep, that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below, and turn on the notification. And comment down below #notification squad, and you will get
not
a shout out.
#notification squad. Just I'm thinking of something.
You know, is this your vlog channel?
Hashtag.
Yeah, just hashtag or something.
No. Hashtag. Loyalty squad. Loyalty gang. Loyalty.
Or it could be MD gang, cause Marley's, or MV for Marley's vlog.
So
Or MS for
hashtag
Marley's vlog.
if someone doesn't have it, but comment down below if someone YouTube has hashtag loyalty squad. But peace, bye. Hope you subscribe, turn on the bell, comment down below for a shout out. We're gonna give you a shout out. And like this video, smash the
Like button.
and the subscribe button, and turn on the bell if I said it. And comment down below for a shout out. So I see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.
Love you guys.